Let's discuss Food Yangming Stomach Meridian, Stomach 31, Biguan. Stomach 31, Biguan, or the thigh joint, on the anterior thigh, directly inferior to the anterior superior iliac spine or the axis, in a depression lateral to the sartorius muscle when the thigh is flexed. Approximate clinical relevance, stomach 31 coincides with a trigger point in the rectus femoris muscle. Myofascial dysfunction at the site can radiate pain to the knee, following the muscle belly to its attachment at the patella. Stomach 31, big one, the thigh border, thigh gate, hip border gate, thigh joint, influences the hip area by strengthening and moving chi in problems of the hip, groin, upper leg, and knees, helps raise the leg when there is atrophy after wind stroke causing the leg to drag, removes obstruction from the channel, promotes circulation in the legs, dispels wind and cold. Indications are groin sprain, lymphadenitis, hernia, lateral knee problems, dragging of legs after wind stroke. This point brings energy to and thus promotes circulation in the hip, groin, and lower limbs. Consider the hernia and groin sprain or for numbness in the lower limbs. Furthermore, it can help with the pain in the lower abdomen, loin, and hip area. Muscle tension in the local part, thigh pain, hip pain, stomach 31, other local trigger points in muscles responsible for generating the pain pattern, check quadriceps femoris group, the trouble and symptoms called a four-phase troublemaker, and sartorius muscles, thigh pain, hip pain, and reduced range of motion, pelvic limb, paresis or paralysis. Is located close to the pivotal hip region, the gate of the lower limb, according to spiritual fiber. Yangming channel is abundant in qi and blood, and points of both arm and foot Yangming channel are much used clinically to promote the circulation of qi and blood in the extremities, rendering them ideal for treating numbness, paralysis, stiffness, and pain in the forelimbs. Point to regulate the circulation of qi and blood in the leg as a whole, and in the stomach channel in particular. In this respect, it may be viewed as the equivalent point on the lower limb of John Yu, Li15, on the upper limb. Its main applications are in the treatment of atrophy disorder, hemiplegia, and painful obstruction of the whole leg, or in the treatment of pain from the hip radiating down the stomach channel. In such cases, it is frequently combined in the chain and lock method with Zuzan Lee stomach 36 and Jingxi stomach 41. A number of classics also specifically recommend Biguan stomach 31 for cold painful obstruction of the knees and for lumbar pain. Combinations: numbness of the knee, Biguan 31, Dewey stomach 35, Ayan Link 1, gallbladder 34, supplementing life. Weakness and paralysis of the legs, the Biguan stomach 31, Zuzan Lee stomach 36, Young Link 1, gallbladder 34, Zhuanzhong gallbladder 39, and Jiji stomach 41. Thank you for your attention.